Good morning, it's Wendy from Wenway Creations. I finally got round to doing my video on the Super Simple #1 from Anna, Pink Monarch Prints, as promised. So this is the prototype here that I've done. So that attaches, and as usual I haven't got a little do. This is my page in my journal book, so that will attach there. You can either attach it and make another pocket, and it comes off here and has all these lovely little pockets filled with ephemera and lots of writing spaces. So this is what we're going to make today, #1. Excuse me, I've got a very dry mouth. So yep, so we've got a pocket there, pocket here. Oops, a little flip out that's got lots of pockets with things. My squash butterfly, a very crooked note piece. That's original, that is. And more pockets and whatnot here, and nothing on the back. I don't know why there's nothing on the back. Anyway, I'm going to put that there so I can remind myself how to do this. So you can get the kit off Etsy, off Anna's shop, Pink Monarch Prints. I will put it all below in the description for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to glue these together in order. So you have 2 of these. So I'm going to glue this one to this one first. I'll do it this way. Just being aware of your folds. And a tissue, and then what I did with it. Yep. I have to cut this off a little bit. I've made it. For some reason, it's a little bit wide. I don't know why that is. Glue. You can sew these down. You do all sorts of adding your own extra bits to it. How much glue's gone and gunked up on me. Ouch. Okay, so that's all glued together. So let's start at the front of it, the front page here. Take one of the and we'll just put a thin bead of glue down there to make a pocket. Line it up, make sure it's level. Not like my crooked one. Next page is this one, which is miles too big. Oh, why they're too big? be too big. I cut them out. Still too wide. That's better. Let's ink the edges that I've cut. And I've already made a mistake. Before I glued that down, I was meant to glue one of these pockets in. This one here. I was meant to, no, not this one. Oh, confusion reigns. I don't even know where it is. Must have been this one. Must have been one of these. Should have been glued in under there. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to glue it. What I'm going to do is, hang on, just let me make sure I've got it the right way. This will take a minute. It's got to be this little one. So that's the little side that's got to be glued. So I'm just going to ink mine up a little bit and glue it on top. But that should go underneath. It's a while since I've watched this video. Oh, I do get myself into some situations, don't I? I'm just going to put a bit of glue along the edge of this one. Excuse me. Fold that up there and then fold this one over. Just need to glue that side there so that stays shut too. That'd help, hey? That's what the problem was. And that's round the wrong way. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Okay, back to this. So we're going to glue down this edge. Crikey, Wendy. On this page, put another one of these. You can make it into a pocket, into a flap, or just as a sheet for journaling. This has got lines on it, so it'd be nice. But I'm going to make it as a pocket. Hannah likes to glue all of these things shut. I don't. I like mine to be kept open for more journaling spaces, is what I like to do. But everyone to their own. You can sew around them, add lace, embellish, use stickles, do whatever you want to do to your design, your project. Pocket, where's my pocket? Pocket goes on the back here. Just going to make another little pocket on top of the pocket. Okay, so this one gets glued because it's a little bit hard to leave open with the pocket on it. The side, on each side. Put the butterfly, because I squashed my other butterfly on the other one. So I'm going to put this butterfly on the back of this one. So he doesn't get squished. At an angle. There we go, matey. Just got this back page. Just going to put glue has clogged again. to unglue my glue. It's clagged up somehow. I'm just going to decorate up some pages here. With what's left in the kit. Better. And that says, the soul that is within me, no man can degrade. This one says, the triumph of the human spirit. And you can put lace in. Lace. Decorate with lace. Where'd that other saying go here? This saying says, within you lies everything you need. Put it up the right way, Wendy. That helps. Okay. Put that on there. Cover that up. Okay, so that's it. That is done and dusted. So there you go. One completed. Goes, sits on the page. Like I said, sits on the page. Glue that there. Glue it on. Make another pocket. And put a notch there if you so desire. Pockets there. Journaling spaces there. Just remember to put that in under the page there. It would look so much nicer. And yeah, so there you go. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a comment, and I promise to get the next one done as soon as possible. Catch you next time. Bye.